The journey of faith, love, and grace culminates in a grand ceremony. Join us for the closing ceremony of the 18th Exposition of the Sacred Relics of Saint Francis Xavier on Sunday, the 5th of January 2025 from 9 am onwards. Let us together celebrate the legacy of Saint Francis Xavier. Be part of this moment of devotion, gratitude, and shared spirituality. Don't miss this sacred moment of unity and devotion. Be there to witness history in faith. Join us for the exclusive coverage on our channel Saint Francis Xavier Official from 9 am onwards. See you there.